before interview you will be getting mail, right? That suppose Mr. Rahul is going to take your interview, and two and three panels will be taking your interview, right? And they will tell you their names. Try to search them on LinkedIn, try to find something about them. And when interview starts, okay, and when you this is 1:30 at night, log out किया हूँ, and I thought of making video for you guys, because few of my members have asked me to put a video on interviews question because उनका interview आने वाला है. So I thought देरी नहीं करते, and it will be great time if I can take some time and make the video. So as I told you in my earlier video that there will be 2 and 3 rounds of interview happening for you guys when you guys are going for the interview for tax analyst in Big Fours, any of the company, with GT, EY, PwC, Deloitte, KPMG, anything. So the first round will be HR round, okay? So in HR round, they won't be asking you the much thing, okay? Not much technical things. They will ask basic expectation from you, okay? They will be asking your past experience if you are having any, okay? And maybe they will be also talking about your salary, okay? And as a telephonic interview, okay, I'm talking about telephonic and virtual interviews, okay? I'm not talking about face to face, but question will be same face to face or virtual, okay? So in telephonic interview, they will be mainly asking about yourself. So in your about yourself, don't brag anything, be natural, tell about yourself, tell about any interesting things which is happening with you or maybe which you are doing, okay? Not a deal things that your name is this, your father name is this, you have done this. This is all things there in resume, okay? You can make some creative answer, practice it, and you can tell there during the interview, okay? So first thing, they will ask you about yourself, give a precise answer. And the first question will be that which is your favorite subject, okay? And of course, as a finance guy, you guys are going to say it, maybe economics, maybe finance, maybe accounting, okay? And from there, they will start asking you simple question about like golden rules. What all are the golden rules? What does they tell us? Okay, they will ask you. They will ask about you entries, that journal entries, okay? Few things about like normal debit credit, where debit goes, where credit comes, everything, okay? In the first round interview, okay? Yes, they will again deep down further, okay? But when you are going to technical round of interview, there there will be seniors coming for you for your interview, seniors like who all are working for a tax analyst, sorry, tax senior, okay, for the US client. There they will be asking about accounting, okay? They will dig down in journal entries. In journal entries, there are few favorite parts of them, okay? First, they will ask about depreciation. These are the favorite things of interview, okay? And they will be they would have written down on the paper, okay? And they will just match your answer with the paper, and also they would know the answer also because they are experts. So they will talk about depreciation, okay? They will talk about amortization, okay? And they will talk about bad debt, okay? Again, there are a lot of provision in bad debt. So before going to interview, make sure you are reading all the provision and you are making sure that you know everything, okay? If you are not knowing the answer, just say that I can't recall it right now, or you don't know, okay? That is perfectly fine, but do not try to make them fool because they are smart, okay? So again, I'm telling they will ask you about basic journal entries, they will talk about depreciation, they will talk about amortization, they will talk about this one, bad debt for sure, okay? And in deeper of journal entries, they will go for like complex journal entries, like there will be two credit one debit kind of things. Okay, and further that, okay, they will go into the balance sheet. Okay, what all are the items which is coming in asset side, what all are the items which will be coming in liabilities side, what is capital. By the way, I'm asking you this question: what is capital? Capital is liabilities, or this one, capital is liabilities or asset. Okay, tell me in this comment box. Okay, let's see how many of you answer this question. And they will be asking you about normal things like with examples. Suppose they are asking, okay, if they are asking, uh, what is equity? Is it asset or liabilities? If you are answering, try to give examples. Okay, do not give the bookish answer, and you can, anyone can give this. Okay, you are not in the 12th, or you are not in the graduation, you are in PC. Okay, so give them the answer with example. Try to give example which is around you. Okay, which is around your room, which is around their room. Okay, try to give answer like that. Again, they will talk about GST, which is very hot topic. Okay, they will ask you simply, what is GST? Okay, you can elaborate, you can give examples. Okay, they will talk about Indian taxation. Okay, like they will ask you about the recent slabs. Okay, that income slabs. Okay, they will talk about corporate tax. Okay, how much is the corporate tax? They can ask you this question, and this is pretty much fine. They will talk about the due date of Indian this one taxation. Okay, what is the due date of Indian taxation? Tell me in the comment. Okay, they will talk about the extension. They will talk about different types of taxation, like partnership are there, corporates are there, and they will ask you the due dates of everything. Okay, because these are the basic things which you should know, and there is no hard rule to remember these basic things. You can remember all these things. Okay, so they will be asking this question. Further, they will be asking about if you know something about US taxation. Okay, and sure, you will be reading something about US taxation, and you will be telling the answer. But if you don't know, if you don't remember it, just say it, I don't know, because that is perfectly fine. Okay, we are Indians and we don't know anything about US taxation, and they are going to teach you. And yes, in first they will ask you, what do you know about our company? Okay, so when they ask you this question, what do you know about our company, read about the company, read the culture of the company. There will be some, like in GT, there are some few culture which they respect much. If you talk about the culture in front of them, they will be happy. Okay, so read something about the company. Okay, not the Wikipedia language. Okay, learn the good things and tell them the answer. Okay, and after this question they will be talking you about, and sorry, I forgot to mention. Okay, that when you will be submitting your CV resume, okay, they will be asking much question on the basis of your resume. If you have written something, okay, they will ask you about that. And surely they are going to ask you about your recent internship which you have done. You must have done something as an internship, right, in your graduation, in your PG, in your MBA. They will be asking about it. Okay, so if you have done any genuine work, be frank to tell them, be frank to tell your achievement. Okay, post that, as I mentioned, that in this job we are required to work a lot on the Excel, we are required to work a lot on the MS Office. So they will be going around the Excel thing. Okay, they will ask you whether you know about Excel or not. Of course you would say yes, and they are going to ask you the simple question of Excel. Okay, and I forgot to mention about the dress code. Okay, dress code in all big fours are casual, but when there are interview, try to be in professional dressing sense, like against uh, shirt, iron shirt, tie, belt, shoe, coat, if you are having good tie. Okay, these all things which attract them. And one very important thing, that is, I forgot to mention that before interview, you will be getting mail, right? That suppose Mr. Rahul is going to take your interview, and 2 and 3 panels will be taking your interview, right? And they will tell you their names. Try to search them on LinkedIn. Try to find something about them. And when interview starts, okay, and when you tell them that you know them, and of course they will ask you how, and you will be telling that from LinkedIn, then they will be happy, like, okay, he she has put some effort to know me, to know the organization, to know the interviewer, okay, and it will increase your chance by 30%. Believe me, this is my hack for the all my interviews. Every time I give interviews, I go and search about them, and I tell them that we are connected on LinkedIn, and I know something about you. Okay, I know from how many years you are working in this company. Few things when you tell about them, they will be impressed. Okay, because everyone wants to be famous. Remember, everyone wants to be famous. So use it. This is the psychological thing. Okay, take care. Tata, bye bye. Tell me what you want me to make next video. Okay, uh, there are a lot of things. Okay, whatever I will be remembering, I will make videos here and there when I get time. Okay, keep supporting, show your love. Okay, share with your friends who are going to give interview, and कुछ नहीं, सो जाओ.